Hi there, welcome to today's tutorial. If you're new to my channel, I'm a clay artist and illustrator, and during December I'm making a series of very short tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple wreath. So I'm just going to start off by making a green circle. I'm going to use 2 shades of green polymer clay for the leaves, but you can use as many as you like. So I'm just using my round cutout tool to make a series of small leaves. And I'm just going to start building up the leaves like this. And you just need to keep building up the leaves around the green circle. So now we've come full circle, so to speak, so I'm just going to go around and neaten off any leaves that are sticking out too much. And just some red little berries will make it pop. And I'm going to add some gold ones in too. You could also add some flowers to your wreath, but I'm going to keep mine pretty simple today. If you wanted to, you could put a little hole through your piece just to add some string to make into a Christmas tree ornament. So there we go, it's all done and ready to bake. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.